Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a DSLR camera as a video cam. And the camera that I'm using is a Canon EOS Rebel SL2. And for this to work, you will need any type of elgato, basically any type of capturing device. The one I went with is the elgato HD60s Plus. It's fine with 1080p at 60 fps or 4K 60 HDR pass-through, because my camera doesn't record 4K anyways, so this is good for me. And let's go right ahead to show you how to get this working. So first of all, what you will need is a HDMI, mini HDMI to HDMI cable, which looks something like this with a regular HDMI and a mini HDMI. The mini HDMI you will be plugging into the camera, and the other side to the elgato HDMI in. And to bridge your camera and computer, the elgato HD60s Plus is what you need to connect your camera to the computer. And what this does is it bridges the signal from your camera to the computer, which lets it record. And using the software, basically anything that a camera or any other video software that you want to use, you will be able to use the DSLR cameras as a webcam. First in the box, we have a included HDMI cable. The HD60s, what it also allows you to do is to, if you want to stream from your other console, you can plug this into another monitor and have that game on a separate monitor, which is what the HDMI out is for. And next in the box is a USB-C to USB port, which is where you plug in your USB-C to the elgato and USB to your computer. And next we have the elgato HD60s itself, which comes with the HDMI and audio in, and also HDMI out. And rest in manual, and that's it in the box. To set it up, first you will need to remove the side of the Rebel SL2 and find the mini HDMI port where you plug in the cable. And on the other side, you plug the regular HDMI cable to HDMI in on the elgato HD60s. But the next step is to go to elgato.com, and you will select which product and download the software. You don't really need to do this step, although if you don't want to record, you can use any recording software that you want. I just downloaded the 4K capturing device, which you can see now video is showing up from the camera on the capturing device. Yeah, so that's it. To wrap it up, you will need to turn off grid, turn off autofocus to not having it keep capturing your face with everything on the screen, to have a clean screen. And yeah, that's how you set up a DSLR camera as a video cam. And hope everyone found it helpful.